Hi everyone! The information I'm about to share comes directly from the technicians who work every day repairing appliances in this well-known shop. So don't worry, we're going to fix it. When a customer comes in with this code on the screen, they almost always say, "I was heating something, and suddenly this error appeared, and now it won't do anything." What's happening here is that the microwave has detected a problem with the temperature or the internal sensor, and for safety, it locks itself automatically. On the other hand, many customers also tell us sometimes it turns on, sometimes it doesn't, and other times the error shows up in the middle of cooking. This makes it clear that the fault is intermittent and is usually related to loose connections or sensors that aren't sending signals correctly to the control board. In the shop, we always start by checking the temperature sensors and thermistors because often they're dirty or affected by moisture. One of our technicians told us, "I cleaned the sensor and adjusted the wires, and the microwave started working again, showing that many times the solution is simple and there's no need to replace expensive parts right away." Next, if the problem persists, we focus on the control panel and the board itself, because we've seen that when the sensor sends incorrect readings, the board interprets it as overheating and triggers F4 or F5. As one technician says, when the microwave receives out-of-range signals, the machine protects itself and locks everything automatically. We also check the electrical supply and internal fuses, because some customers report after a strong power outage, the error started. This shows that voltage spikes can affect communication between the sensor and the board, generating these error codes. Finally, although Sharp doesn't always publish specific bulletins for this error, the recommendation we give in the shop is not to keep using the microwave while the error is active, because it could damage the magnetron or the control board. The safest approach is to take it to an authorized service center where they can inspect sensors, connections, and the board, replacing whatever is necessary to get it working properly again.